Ever feel like you're just uh, chasing financial freedom?
Yeah.
Like it's always just out of reach.
Yeah, definitely.
Like you're on a treadmill, but not really getting any.
A lot of people feel that way.
But today, we're ditching the treadmill and hopping on, I don't know, maybe a magic carpet ride to financial freedom with a little help from minimalism.
Sounds a lot more fun than a treadmill.
Right. And hopefully this magic carpet ride involves less laundry. We're diving into this video, AI, minimalism, financial freedom, to see if lightening our material load can actually help us reach our financial goals.
Yes. I think one of the most interesting things this video does is it visually connects the dots between a cluttered room and a cluttered bank account.
I like that.
Yeah. And it's not just about like aesthetics, right? It's more about the mental energy we waste on all our stuff
Right.
that we could be using to make smarter financial decisions.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, just that visual of someone trying to cram one more thing into an already overflowing closet, like that takes energy. Energy that most of us could be using elsewhere, I'd say.
Yeah.
So how does decluttering actually translate into dollars saved?
Well, the video calls it mindful spending, which goes beyond just asking yourself, like, do I need this?
Okay.
It's about understanding the why behind our purchases. Are we buying things to impress other people or to, I don't know, fill some sort of emotional void, or because we actually need it and we'll use it? And the video actually gives this great example of a woman who realized she was buying all these dresses, but they were for the life she wanted, not the life she actually had.
Oh, wow.
So when she started buying for her reality, she saved a ton of money.
That's such a good point. Like sometimes I buy things and I'm thinking, yeah, future me is going to love this. But in reality, it's probably going to sit in my closet.
Right, exactly.
So, okay, let's stuff.
But before you tune out completely, this isn't your grandma's, budgeting. This video presents budgeting not so much about restriction, but about being intentional with your money. And actually, one super interesting idea from the video is the minimalist spending plan.
Okay.
And in a minimalist spending plan, you categorize spending not by bills and groceries, but by your core values.
Interesting.
So, for example, if experiences are more important to you than material possessions, your spending should reflect that.
Oh, I love that. That takes all the sting out of budgeting, right? Because it's not about what you can't have. It's more like a roadmap to your ideal life.
Right, exactly. And speaking of roadmaps, let's talk about the long game, saving and investing.
Okay.
Because when you're spending less on things you don't really need, you naturally have more to put toward your future self.
It's that whole delayed gratification thing, right?
Yeah.
Like maybe skipping that impulse purchase now means being able to retire someday?
Yes, exactly. And actually, the video highlights this study that found that people who adopt a more minimalist lifestyle tend to reach financial independence